Hey guys, BubblePOP Kids here. I hope you're in the mood for some Michaels. We got a haul right now. Bubble Teenies! I'm so excited, so happy today because I popped into Michaels. If you guys are not familiar with that store, it's like a craft store. They sell tons of things, but recently everything is about slime. They sell tons of glue, glitter, basically all the essentials to make the cutest slime. So I found some of that stuff and some other really cute things. Let's take a look. Kind of funny because I've literally been going to Michaels for years. It's like my go-to craft store. They have everything you need to do little crafts and do-it-yourself projects. But recently, Michaels has become like the slime headquarter. You could find tons of different kinds of glue, glitter, cute little things to put in the slime. And I have never seen so many cute things. But I did find some of those little ingredients. I also found some other cutie little things. Let's dump this out. Woo! My table is filled with all my favorite things. So it's kind of cluttered right now. Ooh, I even have this. It didn't fit in the bag. Little emoji poop. What do you guys say? We look at this stuff one at a time and get a closer look. Let's do it. And we're kicking it off with these little notebooks. You guys, these things were so cute. I couldn't pass them up and super inexpensive. I think they were, look at this, $1.50. $1.50 each. We got a little hamburger. These are perfect for summer. A little hot dog. This is actually my fave. Look how cute that is. And some dessert. We got a donut with some sprinkles. Adorable. I popped these little cutie notebooks out of the packages. Oh, they are so cute, even cuter up close. And the best part about them, they are lined. They have these lined papers, perfect for writing. You know, these are super cute to bring to like summer camp. We got your hot dog, little hamburger. Almost looks like a Big Mac, and it's got big pages. Very cute. And of course, the sprinkled donut. This one reminds me of The Simpsons, like that big old Homer Simpson donut. Ooh, these are really big pages. So for $1.50 each, definitely could not pass these. Love them. So we're moving on from the notebooks to this popsicle. Now I have to tell you guys before I show you, this is the whole reason I went to Michaels, because I love to watch YouTube videos. I love watching Dollar Tree hauls, Michaels hauls, Target hauls. Basically, I love seeing what people buy at the stores. I'm just like obsessed with it. I don't know why, but a lot of people have been hauling these. So as I'm watching these Michaels hauls, and everyone has been saying, oh, you gotta go down there. They have squishies. They have popsicle squishies in like all different colors. So I ran to get some. This was the final one they had, but you guys, these are like bath sponges or shower sponges. It even says it right here. It was $1.50, and they're cute, don't get me wrong. I mean, they're super cute, but they're not squishies. It's just like a sponge, but I still love it. And I wanted to get other colors. They were completely sold out. Let's take a closer look. Here it is, right out of the wrapper. You guys, this is so totally adorable. The cutest sponge I've ever seen. And it definitely is soft and squishy, but like I said, it is not a squishy. It's not slow rising, it's not memory foam. It's just like your typical bath sponge, but it's still super cute. I love it. Another little thing I love about this popsicle sponge is the stick. It looks like a wooden popsicle stick on there. You got a little cord here. You can hang it in your shower or bath. It's just adorable. And hopefully they're gonna get more of these in different kinds of colors. The cutest. And believe it or not, they didn't just have slime ingredients to do-it-yourself slime. They had actual slime. Different colors, different types. I picked up this one, Orb Slimy. It's like a little pink jar. The slippery, gooey, ooey stuff. Let's check it out. There we go, you got your pretty pink Orb Slimy. This brand, I don't think I've ever seen it anywhere other than Michaels. It's for 3+. It is natural and safe, which is pretty good. Great for little kids. Let's check this stuff out. I cannot wait. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, it's so soft. Unbelievable, this orb slimy. It is perfect. It is the perfect texture. It stretches. You can twirl it and poke at it. It's just the best. And a couple days ago, I did like a squishy chopping video. I had another one of these. It was kind of in like a different shape and I loved it. Now I got a pink color. It's just too soft. Squishy.
Look at it. Look at the stretch on it. Look at the shine.
If you little squishy teens are curious what this feels like, the only way to describe it is a mix between like gack and maybe flarp, like that jar of flarp, but it is so ultra shiny. Look at that. It looks like it's covered in oil, but it doesn't make your hands greasy or like leave any residue. It's just like perfect. Everything about it. Ugh, love it. Back and get more. I think they had like a green and a super hot yellow. It is the softest. Love it. Moving along, oh, I love all this stuff. This is like the cutest stuff ever. So besides the pre-made slime, which they do sell a lot of it, a lot of squishy things they're selling right now, they have an entire aisle for do-it-yourself slime. They sell like little foam balls to make floamy. They sell all different kinds of glitters and like little beads. I came across these. I thought they were so cute. $1.50. Basically what they are these little glass bottles of colored glittery sand. We got 6 different colors here. I love these. It looks like a ketchup and mustard. So basically how cool would it be to make some clear slime and like pop this in there? I'm sure it would look so cool. Almost like a glittery kind of crunchy sand. Definitely gonna try that on an upcoming show. And I thought these were perfect for it. Woo! So cute. And the bottles are really pretty. They're glass, they have this little cork top, and if you just look at those, they are really glittery. You could mix them together, or you could just make clear slimes and make a different color for each. Cannot wait to try that. So we got the green. This is like a super pretty blue, like a royal blue. Nice pink, almost like a fuchsia. And like a teal or aquamarine. I really like this one. And the final 2, we got this bright yellow, mustardy color. I don't know why, it just reminds me of hot dogs. And the red, this one's super cool. It's really glittery. Not only did I find that glittery sand, I found some other little slime ingredients. I could use these in like some upcoming slimes I'm gonna be making. This was super pretty. Almost looks like confetti. It's like little gold and silver pieces. They're kind of flat and round. How cute would that be? And some clear or like a clear pink. I love that. I think this was like $2 or $3. Really pretty, really different. Also found these, and you guys, I have been looking for these little pom-pom foamy balls for a while. I walked right in the store and bam, they were there. $1.50. 300 of these, you get like a purple, pink. I like this green, like a lime green, blue, and white. Perfect for making some fluffy slime. You could pop these babies in there. They almost look like little polka dots. The final little crafty thing I found were these little wiggle eyes. I mean, I don't think I'm gonna put them in slime. Maybe I could, but I'll definitely find something for them. There's 96 pieces, and yeah, I just had to get them. Find something to do with it.
Oh, you've got to make wiggly ass slime.
This next one is kind of random. You know, at Michael's right now, they have bins of all of these pillows. They have like food, like hamburger and hot dog pillows, but they also have tons of emojis. And when I saw this little pink swirly poo-poo, I had to have it. I thought it was so cute. $5, and oh, it's so squishy and plushy. Love it. Ooh, these next two are super cute. These are actually the first things I popped in my basket. I thought they were pencil cases, but pretty much they're just like pouches. $1.50 each. Everything seems to be $1.50 over there. But look how cute. They're super big. Junk food every day. Oh yeah. I found this black one right here with this hot dog. It says dog. I mean, it's kind of weird. It's kind of random, but they are so cute. You know what I would use these for? Like when you're going to the beach and you have your beach bag, you could pop your cell phone in here, your wallet, all the little things you have that you don't want to get wet. It's a pretty good size. You could just pop them in there. And it's definitely not every day you find something so cute with like a hot dog and hamburger. Perfect for summer, perfect for the beach, or if you're going to summer camp, I would just use this for anything. You could put your makeup in it. You could use it as like a pouch so things don't get wet. You could put pencils in here. You could really use it for anything. I love them. So cute. And we made it through the haul super quick. I can't believe it flew by. We are on to our final two little goodies, and they are super cute. Little ice cream pens. Look at these. I love stationery. I love collecting these cute little stationery things. $1.50 each, of course. That seems to be like the main price over there. Look at these. They are huge. They're huge and they're detailed. And they are making me hungry. Look at that. We got chocolates and vanilla. These are the only two colors I saw. I was looking for a pink one. Look at that. And they're super light. They're really big but easy to write with. Looks like Dairy Queen. Actually, I'm kind of curious what they write in. Let me get my little hamburger notebook and test these babies out. Let's see. Super smooth, very good quality. I mean, I can't even believe it. It's like a super fun tip, and it is black ink. These are perfect for taking away to summer camp if you want to write notes to your friends and family, or you could just keep them anywhere. Keep them in your room. Adorable. This one is making me hungry. I don't know. It's making me want a milkshake. That one is black as well, and these are good because they have little covers. Pop them in your purse. There it is, guys, on Michael's Craft Store super haul. I mean, I didn't get too much stuff here, but I love everything I found. They had so many more things. I'm definitely going back. And if you guys have a Michael's in your area, you can pop on in there. They're selling all of this stuff right now. Normally, I like to pick a favorite. I really can't. I mean, I love the slime, that little popsicle, all of the little stationery things. And I'd also love it for you guys to leave me a comment and let me know out of all this stuff, what was your fave? We are going to have so many more fun videos coming up on the show. We're going to have slime, squishies, lip balm, you name it. We are BubblePOP Kids. And if you want to subscribe to our channel, just click this big yellow bubble with the bubblegum machine and subscribe. Have a great day, you guys.